Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow WhatsApp app access to your contacts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings, then scroll down until you find privacy and security, then tap on that, and right here you can easily find contacts. Just get into it. On that page you should scroll down all the way until you find WhatsApp, and then in order to allow WhatsApp access to your contacts you have to enable this feature. Just hit on that to toggle it on. In that way WhatsApp will be able to sync with your phone contacts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.